Subaru Legacy Leak Repairs. Subaru is the automobile manufacturing division of Japanese transportation conglomerate Subaru Corporation. The 21st largest automaker by production worldwide in 2017. Subaru cars are known for their use of a boxer engine layout in most vehicles above 1,500 cc. The 2019 Subaru Legacy is a mid-size sedan that comes with a variety of features. Like other Subaru models, the Legacy is known for its all-wheel drive system and emphasis on safety. Features can vary depending on the trim level, but here are some common features found in the 2019 Subaru Legacy. Servicing your Subaru Legacy regularly is vital to maintaining its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here's a guide on Subaru Legacy service. Follow maintenance schedule. Refer to your Subaru Legacy owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This schedule typically includes regular service intervals based on time and mileage, including oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections of various components. Adhering to these intervals is crucial to keep your Legacy in optimal condition. Authorized service centers. Choose authorized Subaru service centers or reputable mechanics experienced with Subaru vehicles. They have access to genuine Subaru parts and are trained to handle repairs and maintenance tasks specific to Legacy models. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Subaru's recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are essential for your Legacy's performance and longevity. Brake system inspection. Ensure that your Subaru Legacy's brakes are inspected regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. Properly functioning brakes are critical for safety and performance. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. Rotate your tires according to Subaru's recommended intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Also, check for signs of uneven wear or damage and replace tires as needed. Battery health. Keep an eye on your Subaru Legacy's battery health, especially if you notice any signs of a weak battery or difficulty starting. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or showing signs of deterioration. Electrical system. Check electrical components such as lights, wipers, and power accessories regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any bulbs that are burnt out or dim. Safety recalls and updates. Stay informed about any safety recalls or software updates issued by Subaru for your Legacy. Ensure that these are addressed promptly by scheduling an appointment with your authorized Subaru service center. By following these guidelines and staying proactive with your Subaru Legacy's maintenance, you can help ensure its performance, reliability, and safety on the road. Regular servicing also helps maintain the vehicle's resale value and reliability over time, allowing you to enjoy your Legacy for years to come.